quick tidy up might make a space look clean, but true hygiene goes much deeper. Over time, dust, dirt, and bacteria settle into carpets, upholstery, and those hard-to-reach corners we rarely think about. Without proper deep cleaning, these hidden contaminants can affect air quality, health, and even the lifespan of your furniture. Welcome to the FastKlean channel. Before we continue, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our expert cleaning tips. Unlike routine cleaning, deep cleaning goes beneath the surface to remove grime that builds up unnoticed. It's essential for both homes and offices. In homes, dirt collects behind furniture, under beds, and inside appliances. Kitchen grease builds up on cabinets and splashbacks, while bathrooms hide mold in corners. Carpets, mattresses, and curtains trap allergens, affecting sleep and indoor air quality. Regular vacuuming alone isn't enough to tackle these problems. In offices, high foot traffic brings in dirt, while shared desks, keyboards, and phones harbor bacteria. Air vents accumulate dust, lowering air quality. Without proper deep cleaning, employee sickness increases, productivity drops, and your workspace loses its professional look. Experts recommend deep cleaning homes every 3 to 6 months, or more frequently if you have pets or allergies. Offices should schedule professional deep cleans at least quarterly, with extra attention to shared spaces like kitchens and restrooms. Ignoring deep cleaning leads to bacteria buildup, lingering odors, poor air quality, and faster wear and tear on furniture and floors. On the other hand, investing in regular deep cleaning keeps spaces healthier, fresher, and more inviting for your family, your employees, and your guests. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a cleaning refresh, and don't forget to subscribe to the FastKlean channel for more professional cleaning advice.